In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create employer account on Glassdoor, Business Setup 2026. By the end, you'll have your free employer profile set up and ready for verification, so you can manage your company's presence with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you're in the right place from the start. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page for the For Employers option. This is the doorway into the employer tools rather than the job seeker site. Click it and you'll be taken to a page that explains what employers can do on Glassdoor. On that page, choose Unlock Free Employer Profile. Glassdoor does offer paid plans, but the free employer profile is perfect for getting started and claiming your company's page. This will take you to the sign up form where you'll create your account. At the sign up form, enter your work email and set a secure password. It's best to use an email at your company's domain, because Glassdoor often uses that to confirm you're legitimately associated with the business. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you see checkboxes for terms and privacy, review and accept them to continue. After creating your login, you'll be asked to enter information. This step helps Glassdoor build your company profile and verify your affiliation. Be accurate and consistent with what your customers and candidates see publicly. Provide your company's official name, your role or title, the company website, the primary location or headquarters, and your organization's size and industry if prompted. Small details matter here, because they help Glassdoor match you with the correct company page and prevent duplicate listings. Once you submit the form, you'll land in the Glassdoor employer area. At this point, continue with any prompts needed to verify your account. Typically, that includes confirming your email address, so check your inbox for a message from Glassdoor and click the verification link. If you don't see it, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folder. You might also be asked to confirm your relationship to the company, especially if your email isn't on the company's domain. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. They're straightforward and designed to protect your organization's page. That's it. You've created your Glassdoor employer account and started the verification process. Once verified, your employer tools will be fully active and you'll be ready to manage how your brand shows up to candidates on Glassdoor.